Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Somnath in Gujarat today to take part in the Somnath Swabhiman Parv, a four-day program being held from 8th to 11th of January 2026. At about 8 p.m. today, the Prime Minister will participate in the Omkar Mantra chanting, followed by a drone show at the Somnath Temple. Tomorrow at 9:45 a.m., he will join the Shaurya Yatra, a ceremonial procession organized to honor the warriors who sacrificed their lives defending the Somnath Temple. The Yatra will feature a symbolic procession of 108 horses, representing valor and sacrifice. At 10:15 a.m., the Prime Minister will perform darshan and puja at the temple, followed by addressing a public function at 11. The Somnath Swabhiman Parv marks 1,000 years since Muhammad Ghazni's invasion of the temple in 1026, in the year 1026, and it commemorates its enduring legacy of resilience and faith. They also hold special significance, as 2026 marks 75 years since the restored Somnath temple was reopened to devotees in 1951.
The PM will land today in Somnath, where he will chair the meeting of Somnath Trust, Somnath Mandir Trust, and then he will participate in the Omkar Jap. The 72-hour long Jap is 72-hour long Omkar Jap are going on here in Somnath. Then he will there will be a road show for PM, and there will be a Shaurya Yatra, which will showcase the freedom fighters, the fighters who fought against the Muhammad Ghazni. PM will speak about the history of Somnath and how it is important for the India, how the Somnath was rebuilt, and how the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's key role in the redevelopment of the Somnath temple. PM will talk about all these points tomorrow in a public function about the 1,000-year history of Somnath, how the Somnath was rebuilt and how it will going on, and what kind of works our Somnath temple is doing right now. All the things will be shared by the PM tomorrow in Somnath. With video journalist Jaimini Vyas, this is Brijesh Doshi for India Today from Somnath.